Hey guys, today is Sunday and my friend Taylor's baby shower is today, and I just wanted to show you guys the signs that I made for her for the decorations. I made, let's see the big one first. So this is the big sign that I made for the banner that's going to be, I guess, above the table. I'm not really sure where we're going to put it yet, but so that's the big sign. And then I made all these little signs for like photos, like I did flowers, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they're supposed to be gold. So did that one, and then that one, and then I did this one just for her so she can hold for photos or put it on the wall. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do yet, but I'm really happy with the way these turned out. They're so cute. I love the flowers. I love to draw flowers. That's my favorite.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, so Taylor.
It's February 18th. My baby shower is today. All hell is breaking loose. I had to go pick up Sydney because her car wouldn't start, which is fine. That's a deal. But on the way to pick up Sydney, I get a call from Caitlin, and now her car won't start. And she is with Jen, who doesn't even have a car.
Nobody has a car today except Taylor.
Nobody has cars.
Nobody has a car today.
Nobody has cars but me.
This is life. You can't make this
This
up.
is making me very nervous. I need them to get things straightened out. I will go get them, but I don't know what to do with her car. That's why I don't feel like I can just go get them, because what are we gonna do with her car? Like, we can't just leave her car and not start it.
I mean, we can go get them if she needs us to.
We can. I'll go get
if
them.
her battery's dead, we might.
But I mean, what are we gonna do with that car? We can't just let it sit there.
I mean, we'll get it afterward. It can just hang out in the parking
I guess
lot.
maybe I should call and be like, do you want your car to just hang out where at the Dollar General? Like, while you're out the
Yeah, why don't you call her? Yeah, call her.
Okay, we're calling her. Hey, has anything changed? Do we have a plan? Like, what's going on?
So we can get on Angela. I just called Forsyth. I'm seeing his clothes there to your apartment. But him and friends sit down to eat. So, yeah. Angela's not answering, so I don't know what.
You need to text. If you want to get in touch with her, I don't think you can talk to her on the phone. You have to text her on that number. That's a text.
Text that number twice. Has not answered.
Okay. Do you want us to come pick y'all up and your car just hang out? Like, I don't know what. I mean, I don't want y'all to just sit there.
If you can come pick us up, that would be great. My car's something, but I'm having ready for now.
Okay. All right. I guess, where exactly are you?
Do you know where Food Lion on Cashua is?
Get on the interstate. Do the interstate. I know where it is.
Okay, Sydney knows where it is.
We're at that Dollar General right beside it.
The Food Lion on Cashua, the Dollar General right beside it.
Yes.
Okay.
Ask her if it's the battery.
Is it the battery that's dead, or do you know what it is?
I don't know what it is.
Ask her if it's clicking.
Is it clicking? Sydney asked, is it clicking?
It's going noise.
It's
And
what?
like the radio will play, the air will play, it just won't go through right.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
It sounds exactly like my car.
Sounds exactly what happened to Sydney just a couple days ago. I don't know what the hell is wrong with everybody's car.
And we still have to back to the peanut butter.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, this
We're gonna come get you.
Okay, we can get you. We can come get you, and we'll go to Zaxby's, and then we'll go to the apartment. Is that what we need to do?
yes, that's what we should do.
Okay.
And not my car, I just
Yeah, your car can just hang out for a bit, I guess.
yeah, it's gonna have to, I still have to find a way to do it.
Come at 2:30.
Yeah,
I think
we-
Olivia's already coming a little bit late.
Okay, so we might need to tell people 2:30. If we
still have to go get them and then go get the food, and then we might need to tell people 2:30. This lighting is weird. So yeah, we're gonna go get them because nobody has a car right now. It's totally fine. It's gonna be fine. Update: we have arrived at Dollar General and we're trying to.
Now Wes has been called and
We're trying to jump their
we can't
car
find the battery in my Prius.
because apparently you can't jump a car with a Prius.
Apparently you can't jump a car with a Prius.
Actually, I think you can. We just can't figure it out. But apparently you
figure it out,
cannot. You cannot jump a car with a Prius. Just FYI, don't try to jump a car with a Prius.
So now Wes is trying to jump Caitlin's car with his truck, and we're gonna hope that this works because we need to get back to the apartment so the shower can still go on.
Not to mention apparently the Zaxby's food was done at 11:45, which is like 3 hours ago. It's gonna be fine. His truck.
This sucks.
Yay! This is becoming a great video, guys. Like, really great video.
So my mom still hasn't texted me back. Well,
She'll get there. It'll be fine.
2:30. I think 2:30 is good.
But we jumped their car off and it worked, which is good.
Yes.
So we're gonna head back to her place. They're gonna get the food. We're gonna hope they get there.
Hopefully.
Look, the Lidl has a sign. That's so exciting.
Lidl.
We're getting a Lidl. Look, it's a Lidl. Okay, they need to open that.
I don't even know what's gonna be in there.
They need to open this. Lidl is a grocery store like Aldi.
But at least we are getting back to the apartment before 2 o'clock. So the shower will still go on.
Angela's gonna kill us all.
I think we're about to both get it from Angela, even though we couldn't help anything that just happened.
It's gonna be okay. We're gonna make an entrance to her own shower. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make an entrance.
So I wonder if anybody is there. I wonder if...
I need piece of chicken. I feel I need to eat piece of
She wants those hanging up over there.
Alright. I need a something.
Everything is just too cute. I can't handle it. I cannot handle it.
You know, we could have done nothing for me. And on the turkey run. Tell you. 3, go.
I might have got second place.
New miracle is about to arrive. How sweet and precious. Congratulations. Congrats on your new bundle of joy. You're going to be a great mom. Angela. AKA Nora's godmama. That's so sweet. Thank you, Angela.
So that's for Angela too?
I'm Ashton. Onesies.
Those and I cannot lie.
Yeah, Nora getting moved.
She got her own bag of them. I got it. Don't worry.
That's pretty.
Real soft.
Oh, I like that.
That way you can have something soft to rub up on. Yeah, it makes me go to sleep.
Oh yeah.
That's real pretty.
I like that.
Thank you, Caitlin.
You're welcome.
Love that. A new baby girl to love, from her cute little face to her cute little toes. She's a marvel of mystery, nobody knows just who she'll become as she changes and grows. But whatever she does and wherever she goes, she'll always be your little girl. We are so excited and will always be here for you and Nora. Love, Bo and Anna. That's very sweet.
Okay guys, I wish I could have gotten everyone's gifts on camera, but there were so many my camera ran out of space to record on. But Taylor just wanted to thank everyone for coming and making this such an amazing day. She had such a wonderful time and is just overwhelmed by the amount of love she felt during her shower. Thank you so much to Angela and everyone who made this day possible. I wish I could thank you all. I'll put credits at the end of the video, but it was an awesome day, and congratulations, Taylor.